Hello, people of the interwebs. Today is my birthday, and I got a Slinky from Chuck E. Cheese's, and I got an Angry Birds thing, and I got a laptop. It's a blue Acer. And here's my brother, who came randomly out of nowhere. And the Slinky is really great. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of Hunter Saddle 9. Yeah, he's my cousin. You should subscribe to him and me. His name is Hunter Saddle 9. Well, I think I already said that. Yeah, whatever. And he also told me happy birthday on the phone and on his YouTube account. And what? He doesn't know if I'm saying. So, my brother is kind of tough. Oh! That's all for today, people with all the interwebs. Bye bye. This is JODO2, and today I'm 10. It's my birthday, so tell me happy birthday.